Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: battery level, available storage, and a stable connection. Once done, open the Vivo Themes app or go to Settings, then Wallpaper. Make sure you grant storage and gallery permissions so the device can access animated files. Next, browse the Live category or My Wallpapers. This begins the actual selection process. You do this now to avoid permission errors later and to ensure previews will load smoothly without stalling or failing. Once you see a live wallpaper you like, tap Preview so you can test motion, duration, and whether sound plays. Make sure to try the crop and scale controls. You want the main subject centered for different aspect ratios like 16:9. Then choose whether to set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. Apply the wallpaper, and when prompted, pick Save or Apply. This step ensures the animation fits correctly and respects any battery-saving settings. You finish by inspecting both home and lock screens to confirm the live wallpaper plays smoothly and is properly aligned. If the animation feels choppy, make sure to close heavy background apps and, if needed, enable a performance mode. Lower frame settings may improve battery life. If the wallpaper fails to apply, clear the Themes app cache, restart your phone, and try again. This resolves most permission or cache conflicts. Finally, make sure system updates are installed to avoid compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.